This video is all about how to properly assemble a standalone graphics card and memory modules in a computer. Here's a rundown of the steps. 1. Once you've got your package, locate the computer, graphics card, and memory modules. 2. Open up the computer case. 3. If the shipping required removing the motherboard battery, you'll need a CR2032 button cell. Pop it into the motherboard's battery slot. 4. Slot the graphics card into the PCIe slot and secure it with screws and the case. 5. Pop the memory modules into the DIMM slots on the motherboard. 6. Close up the computer case. 7. Lastly, plug in the computer's power supply, switch it on, and give it a test run.